This is a tangle called Blippity Blop. This is a tutorial for that. We did this on TikTok Live last night. We start all of our tangles with gratitude, grateful for the pen, the paper, just appreciation. And find things that bring you joy, make you happy. We usually do this on a few really nice inhale breaths, and on the exhale, we get rid of all the junk, things that we don't need. I consider this self-care time. For me, this is stress and anxiety relief. It is how I meditate. So how this tangle began was just a blob. You can create anything you want from it. And I auraed it, and then I auraed some blobby shapes off the side of it. And once I did that, I weighted each of these lines at the end. And weighting is just adding ink wherever you want something to look heavy without putting graphite there. I weight all of my tangles somewhere on the tangle. So this is Bibbidi Bloppidi. Then for shading, you can shade anywhere. I usually shade so that the petals that are on top look like they're on top, which would mean I would add graphite behind the top of that petal. But you can shade anywhere you like. So many of these tutorials are on my TikTok. The Zoom classes are recorded that are every Thursday at 7 p.m. Central. You can find those on my website to purchase prior ones. I also have a subscription option, which is only available when I'm live, and that will include special lives, untangling tangles, and a lot of other special features. So I'll see you on a live. Have a great day.